Lesson 15 continues using functions, but this time instead of with the farmer, we use the artist. Again, gives you a sample function over here and gives you the blank space to build your own function within here. If you've used the artist previously, you should already know the program to write a triangle, to draw a triangle. Simply going to be a loop. So I'm going to build this in here. Since I know a triangle has 3 sides, and I'm going to go ahead and move forward. And then I'm going to turn right. And if you remember from previously, that's going to be 120 degrees. Now let's experiment with that. Let's see if this draw triangle function works. I'm going to go ahead, go into functions, call drawing a triangle, and run that and make sure it works. Jumping ahead to puzzle number 6, you continue to work with functions. It's giving you 2 functions here, but you need to add an input called length. That's what it mentions up here in the directions. Again, it gives you an example one with the square using something called length, and you can use this as an example for your triangle function. One of the tricks is this little star over here. If you watch the video, it does point it out, but if you click on that star, you can grab this input, and we're going to go ahead and call this length. Added that over here to my function, which is perfect. Now, instead of moving forward by 100 pixels, I'm going to go ahead and remove that. And I'm going to say I'm going to move forward by length pixels. Now, when I'm ready to build my triangle script over here, instead of just calling a triangle function, it's going to call a triangle function asking for an input variable of length. You can go in here, grab this math variable, and this first one is going to be a 100. Then I can draw a second triangle, again, calling my function, my triangle function. I'm going to use my math. I'm going to go in here and change the size for this second triangle. I believe it's 200, but you can experiment with that. And now it's going to go in here, draw a triangle, and then draw another triangle. Whoop. Now, as I did that, if you take a look, I did not reposition my artist to the top of this triangle. So that's telling me I need to add an action here in between my triangle draws so I can reposition my artist to the top of that triangle after it's done drawing it. So now he's ready to draw his second triangle.